और जनाब, तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है। क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
In this video, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Top 8 newsletters that help you stay ahead in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is changing the world, and staying updated in artificial intelligence is also crucial. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we have The Algorithm by MIT Technology Review. This newsletter provides concise and very updates on AI news stories, ensuring you are always in the loop. It's a must read for those looking for quick and insightful updates on AI. Next, we have Deep Hunt, curated by Avinash Hindupur. This newsletter offers an illuminating look at timely AI news, articles, trends, research, and tutorials, and many more. Whether you have seasoned professional or just starting, Deep Hunt have something for everyone. So please give it a try. Third newsletter is Inside AI. If daily updates are your thing, Inside AI as you covered. This newsletter delivers a comprehensive rundown of the most recent AI related news stories right to your inbox. AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by the recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Fourth newsletter is Creative AI. For the creative minds out there, Luba Elitos. Creative AI explores the fascinating world of AI in art, music, and many more. It's a newsletter that sparks your imagination. So if you are enthusiastic of art, music, and something like that, then it's for you. Fifth newsletter is Inside Big Data. Inside Big Data by Rich Bruckner is a weekly newsletter that focuses on big data, AI, deep learning, and many more. It's your source for the latest news and analysis in the AI and data realm. Sixth newsletter is Talking Machines. Talking Machines open a window into the world of machine learning. It offers insightful decisions, podcasts, news, events, and job postings. It's a must for anyone in the industry. The seventh newsletter is Skynet Today. Skynet Today is not the rise of the machines, but a group of AI researchers and professionals offering accessible and informed coverage of the latest AI trends and concerns. So, this will be a much valid compared to all others, so give it a try. Last but not least, we have New York University's Data Science Community newsletter. While it might take a bit more time to read, it's worth every minute. This comprehensive AI newsletter is your deep dive into the world of data science and AI. So, these are the 8 incredible newsletters that will help you stay ahead in the AI revolution. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.